see what today looks like. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get there. Okay. It's windy as fuck again. I fucking hate it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use this split shot size 5 just so I can get further out. But for now, I'm just gonna cast out and see what it's looking like. It's probably prime time to go. Yesterday sucked because one, there's too many people around here. 2, it was shaded, so the fish were like hiding. But we'll see. Nice. Line is all f***ed up. It's still not good. I don't have my wife's rod to reference. They got the best setup, I'm not even gonna lie to you. My setup is kind of trash. Hold on to my rings. Oh my god, what the f is this wind? Alright, I'm immediately gonna just put the split shot on when I get time. That f sucked. They ain't go nowhere. Hope y'all doing well though. It's a beautiful Tuesday. Sun is shining. My allergies are going crazy, but you know, it is what it is. Fish. First catch of the day on my first reel. Good shit. Or first, you know. Oh, damn. It's kind of small. Yeah, this one's small, bro. I'm gonna put this one back. I'm able to hold this thing in my hand firmly. I'm just gonna put him back. No. I'm trying to be real, man. You just get my hook back? No. There it is. Oh, well. Guess it's mine now. Fortunately. Come on, buddy. Okay, no, he's good. Here you go. I was like, what? Oh my gosh, bro. The entire time I'm just standing here doing nothing. The wind is just stagnant. It's the calmest I've ever been around. Like, there's no... It is crazy to me. Guess I'll go now. God damn it. Yeah, no, I just need to add more weight, bro. This thing ain't flying like how it should. That's not going past the dock here. What's that? Damn. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, now that's what I'm talking about. That's better. Damn, that shit's better. I just gotta get a whole new weight. Oh shit. Damn, I missed it. Oh wait, no I didn't. same bait, or power bait, and the stuff. Michael Jordan's secret stuff. This is insane. This is insane. Look at this. Look what's happening to my ball. It's just forcing itself backwards. No matter how hard I cast, it's just gonna go short. Okay? Something's got it. Maybe that's just the current. The current might be taking it. Ooh. Fuck. Oh. Yes? Yes. Okie dokie. We're getting all the small ones out the way. My next two are going to be massive. I do know that was trash. That was objectively not a good cast. But I need my fourth one, so I'm going to just let it go. Yep, right now. Come on, take it, fishy. It's the quenchiest. It'll quench ya. Dude, if me a couple of years ago could see me doing this now, oh yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Be hungry, be hungry, be hungry. Be greedy, be greedy, be greedy, be greedy, be greedy. Did he take it? Yes, he did. Holy shit, he's right there too. Oh no. Oh, did he get off? They're all about the same size, like maybe like a foot. God damn, they devour these things, bro. Yo, trout are the throat goat of the fish. Back into his body and then up and out. Thank you, baby. Yo, shout out to my motherfucking wife. This was a quick 5 too. I think I've only been out here for like maybe 30 minutes. So if you ever want to go fishing and you live in Oregon, and I'll show you what I'm doing. I keep doing it up here. So what I do is what you're supposed to do. I put it so that the hook is exposed. I like it more when it's kind of like this, like just to where they want to put their mouth around it. But this is also fine to hold it in place. I'll do it this way for it. He doesn't want to. When I throw it, it's going to move anyway. Now I just put some of the goo on the hook. And luckily, this thing runs a lot. Hoping that I'll leave that open because I don't know if I'll catch this next one. But put the goo on the hook, maybe on the bottom a little bit. My wife likes to put it on the bottom, and they catch more fish than I do, so I think they might know something a little bit more than I. But nevertheless, I'm gonna try to cast out to the right now. Okay. Fuck me, that was bad. That one was also ass. I feel like that one was more ass than the other one. Yeah, they're all in the middle, the trophy fish. They're like smack dab, like maybe like a foot to 5 feet back where I just threw it right now. Fact of the matter is I'm not reaching there, even with the weight I have. I'm reaching a lot further than I thought I would. But all in all, it ain't working. Damn, that sucks. My rod is solid. My line is solid. The only issue is the fucking weight. My wife said something about redoing my whole setup or something. Oh, because of the knot I have. But I haven't even got caught up this time. I haven't got caught up at all. Except for that one time when I like flung it up and down and caused the reel to stop. Fish. I just want one of the big ones to drift around here. At this point, I just want to go home. I just catch my fifth and dip so I can come back tomorrow and do better. Holy shit. Holy shit. Well, that was something. Something just pulled my line from right next to me all the way out to there. And it just stopped. It got its taste and then dipped. And this is 5. If I can get it. Yeah, it's pretty big. In comparison to the other ones, it's pretty fat. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Bum 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 bum. Well, I would like to try again. To try to get a trophy fish, but the issue with that is if I get it, I want to keep it. I am not instinctively, I want to keep it if I got it, and I can't throw any of the other ones back in the water because they're dead. So I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna be a responsible fisherman, which you all should be, and leave. But that's my 5 for the day. 5 from the day, 3 yesterday. It's good. It's good. Going off from this left side is fucking immaculate. Right side is cooked. All we used was power bait, power eggs, garlic flavor, and then some of this stuff. Hey, I might show it one time. I might show you what this is one time. If enough people start, if y'all like and comment on the video, we get 5 comments and 5 likes. I'll let you know what the secret sauce is. Oh my gosh, I almost had a Jeremy moment. If y'all ever hear me talk about Jeremy this, Jeremy that, just know while I was fucking in the hospital and when I got out and started recovering, I was just watching river monsters because I knew I wanted to fish when I was able to. So anytime I mention Jeremy, it's Jeremy Wade. But we about to dip, y'all. Yeah, 5 comments, 5 likes. I'll let you know what secret sauce I use. But damn, this is such a pretty place to fish, y'all. Beautiful. I love this place. All right, y'all. I'm gonna catch you when we get in the car. Make sure you never leave a mess where you fish. Again, great sesh, 5 fish. I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to somewhere that's not where the vicinity of the place is.